What? You could use ChatGPT for real estate? Hey guys, this is Leonard here with Housing Around AZ, powered by King & Say Realty. So, the big thing everybody's talking about nowadays is ChatGPT. It is that AI system that you can use to basically help you write stuff, help you with a lot of creative tools. I came up with a list of 5 items that I know you can use ChatGPT to help your real estate business. All right, so first one I think is the easiest one to kind of tell, and that's using it as to help you write your MLS descriptions. So the description of your property, you can kind of just throw in pretty easily and say, hey, I have a house that has XYZ, and it will write you a very nice description for it. So it just makes it very simple on being able to put out the MLS descriptions, make them look professional, make them look quality. And again, you can go in there. It's very simple to have it write those for you. All right, the next one is blogs. So everybody talks about, hey, put blogs on your website, try to put out a blog. Well, it's a lot of work. So you can have ChatGPT, you could tell it, hey, write a blog on my town, on the founding of my town. All these different subjects, you can do that. Now, one drawback with having it write the whole blog is Google will devalue websites that use non-human generated content, so i.e. blogs from ChatGPT. So what you can do is have it maybe give you an outline, give you suggestions for a blog. You could then write it, or even have it write it and then you rewrite it yourself and make it where then it comes back as human, showing as human content. There is a website out there you can put your blog into, and it will tell you whether or not it thinks it's human or AI written. All right, so the third one that's going to probably become the biggest mainstream piece is email. So you can go in and say, write me an email that talks to a client about X, and it will write you a professional email. And then you just got to make some tweaks, and you're good. I do know that Microsoft is a partner in the company behind ChatGPT, so my guess is that you're going to see it built into maybe Outlook or some of their other products, because it just makes sense. If you could tell it, because we've all sat there and said, okay, how do I word this email? Now you just tell it what you want, and it writes it for you, and you just need to make some tweaks. All right, number 4, copywriting for ads. So if you're going to post an ad out there and you're trying to figure out what to put in it, how to write everything up for it, you can ask it and it will do that for you. So it's going to write the ads. I do know the copywriting industry is already getting concerned about it. I was listening to some podcasts of them talking about how that can cost people jobs. But at the end of the day, if you're doing it yourself, this is a great way for you to kind of be able to look professional, put together an ad, and have it and be able to get it out easily without having to hire somebody. All right, the last one, number 5. Social media. Okay, this kind of has a couple different pieces to unpack. So the first one is it can write your your social media posts for you. So I did a test. I told it to write a witty Twitter post. It wrote something pretty good. So it can write your posts for you. The other side of that is when you do videos. It can write the script. It can give you suggestions for videos. Tell me some trending TikTok videos about real estate. And it will give you suggestions of, hey, here's a video maybe you could do. Then you can even go further and ask it to say, write me a script for this video. Check them out. I've seen them. They're pretty good. I even went one step further. I took the script that it wrote. I went over to another AI service that does AI avatars. I put the script into the avatar read the script, and it looks like I have a person reading that script for me. Here's the video, check it out right now.
When you rent a home, you're stuck with someone else's rules and limited by their decisions. And every year, your rent goes up. But when you buy a home, you have the freedom to make it your own and the security of fixed mortgage payment. Plus, as you make payments on your mortgage, you're building equity in your home. It's an investment that can pay off in the long run. Don't let someone else control your living situation. Invest in your future and buy a home today.
All right, guys. I know we haven't even touched the surface of what's going to be out there. I'm curious what everybody else thinks is going to come from this. What items that is going to help you with your business. What do you think is going to be able to help make your day easier? Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Again, my name is Sean Leonard. Have an amazing day.